Hello and welcome back, Fel fans. Welcome back, Fel fans, to Let's Mod Millenaire, another episode of Mayans and Inuits. Today, we're going to take a look at the Mayan building materials, as well as some special Inuit, let's say religious artifacts. Yeah, let's say a religious artifact. So we've got ourselves here. What is this? This is Byzantine? Yeah, that looks like the Byzantine thing. I got a Mayan thing somewhere, don't I? Hmm. Okay, how about this? Okay, Mayan pyramid, Mayan Acropolis. So it goes that way. So let's go ahead and put the Acropolis over here. Mayan Acropolis. What was the third one? Observatory. Obelisk. Oh. Seriously? Okay, now the Mayan Observatory. And of course it doesn't fit. I guess we'll skip that one. What else we got? Acropolis, Observatory, Player Pyramid. That's not going to fit. Looks like it's just those two today. So let's take a look. Got a lot of ugly looking cobblestone. Not liking that, not liking that. I'm thinking, at least by this stage, it's going to be either smooth stone or stone brick. Whew. Look, see, look, here's some smooth stone. This far down? No, thank you. Mm-mm. And then we got some smooth stone slabs. I mean, in the new 1.14, this is called stone, and this is called smooth stone slabs, and smooth stone is its own thing now. But yeah, no bricks, really. Oof, I have my work cut out for me with this. What is that? Did I spawn that? Okay, yeah, it looks like I spawned it. Ooh, it's a cool looking fort. Ah, yes, that's one of the things I was considering for the Thaumcraft add-on. But yes, let's take a look here. You see, we got this thing here with these gold bricks, which I'm thinking of lessening in the upcoming changes. But now we have dyed or painted, I guess, painted bricks. We've got some different styles that we can take a look at. Really liking that second one. Oh yeah, that second one's definitely looking better. Hmm. How's it looking like this? Oh yeah, look at that second one. Hmm. Hmm. Personally, I'm really liking that second one. So right now I have painted bricks for red and blue, since red and blue are going to be the most common ones. And post below what you think about them. Uh, what you think, how you like them, etc. Oh God. Oh God. Definitely the first one. Hands down that first one. I might make the first one slightly more vibrant. That is missing some vibrancy. Hmm. Hmm. I'm liking how that's looking. No, no, I think that's just the right amount of vibrant. I might do a hint more vibrancy. A hint more. Look at that. Oh yeah, that looks gorgeous. So, I'll do the other colors. I think there's like 16 of them. I'll do all 16 colors, but I'll do them based off of what you guys think. I, of course, think the first red one, not the second red one, and the second blue one. That's my personal opinion. Post below your opinions. One, two, three, four. This looks like waterfalls falling down. I based the blue off of something called Mayan blue. So just keep that in mind when you're choosing what color blue you think looks best. Look at what Mayan blue looks like. But look at that. That looks gorgeous. Yeah, yeah. Well, that's it for the Mayans. Let's go ahead and take a look at some Inuit stuff. In a recent update, the Inuits got some Azure Bluet fields because the Azure Bluets are a special flower for the Inuits that in their creation quest something happens with it. I put a redstone torch in the first design. Not too big a fan of that, but I did like it originally. Of course, post below what you guys think. And then, since this is supposed to be a native flower to the area called Labradorite, I made a blue version. Ooh, recent developments. Okay. Then we've got a pink version. Ooh, look at that color. Look at that. Oh, those look great. I might just use all three. Just have it randomly choose one? I don't know. I don't know. The blue one is nice. I really like the blue one. It's not too different from the original, and yet it is still different. Now these ones just look nice, but they don't look very Labradorite-y. Time set night. Moving the time backward will break Millenaire. Oh, that's new. I don't. That's a new error. That's interesting. Time at 500. Huh. These are supposed to be giving off faint redstone torch particles and a small amount of light, but I'm not seeing that. Eh, eh. Regardless, envision these with some redstone particles and giving off some light. Now, the recipe for making these is going to involve a redstone torch. That's why the original designs had a redstone torch. But then I saw, that looks bad. I don't think I like that. Maybe I could take the blue flower and add the little red circle at the top? Maybe. Maybe. Post below. Post below your thoughts. Thanks for watching, Fel fans. Keep up to date with future Maya and Inuit updates by watching my channel or joining us on the Discord. Talk to us on the Discord. Information below. Oh, yeah. I really like how this one turned out. I think this is the one I did by accident, and then I'm like, I really like that texture. And this one, definitely not. Not much of a difference between these two. That's unusual.